Sure.
I made a big mistake. I was like 23 years old. I was teaching English, and I grabbed one of these takoyaki, and I put the whole thing in my mouth. And I swear to you, I spit the whole thing out, and I had massive tongue burn for about a week because this is hot. Chris here. I just want to say, please subscribe to this channel for awesome content every week. Kewpie, which is cheers in Japanese, and now back to the show. Yo, Chris Blair here from Beers in Japan. My hair is all fucked up. We were walking around all day. I don't care. You can laugh at my hair. I think it make the video better. Yeah, anyway, I'm sitting here with my buddy Kevin. Yo.
Hey guys.
We're about to eat takoyaki. Have you ever heard of takoyaki? Takoyaki is one of the most popular festival foods, street foods in all of Japan. Any festival you go, they will have takoyaki. Kids here absolutely love it. Our resident cook here from Kuma's Kitchen, one of the best. Car coming by here. We're gonna die. Yeah, we're gonna die for a YouTube video. Plan. 2 cars going by. Anyway, as you guys may or may not know, he runs Kuma's Kitchen. Definitely check it out. It's the best cooking channel in all of Japan, or actually all the world, about how to make awesome home recipes. So just go and definitely check that out. So Kevin, tell us about what's in takoyaki. You've made it before. I've never made it. I just ate it. I'm a professional takoyaki eater.
Yeah, well, it's basically just first of all, there's a batter just made with regular flour, but then you mix in things like a little bit of we call it benishoga, which is like ginger, but it's red. It's been kind of pickled, so a little pickled red ginger, a little bit of tenkasu, which is from when you make tempura. There's all the little pieces that float to the top. But you shouldn't have too much of that. Like I've seen some people put too much in. Just a little bit of that just adds a little bit of grease to there.
That's the tempura thing, the batter. Yeah.
And then taco is octopus.
Octopus,
So you have a little piece of octopus in the center of that. And then what they do is you've got a special like a cooking utensil thing, which has got half round holes in it, and you pour the batter in there. And then you use a little pick and you start spinning it in there until you cook into a little ball. And they're really delicious. Then you add on things like a little bit of sauce on there, which is kind of a brown sauce with a little Worcestershire type taste to it. A little bit of aonori, which is dried seaweed.
Dried seaweed, yep.
A little crumbly. And then something called katsuobushi.
Which is dried fish.
Yeah, dried bonito fish flakes, and they've been shaved. So they dry the bonito, and then they shave it on a special machine. Little thin things, and it just about dances in the heat. And a little bit of mayonnaise, because Osaka, we gotta have mayonnaise.
A lot of mayonnaise.
A lot of mayonnaise in Osaka.
All right, so here we go. We're gonna try this out and we're gonna eat it right here on the street.
This is a street food. This is a real snack food.
Although this place is unusual, you have seats inside, but since you don't normally sit and eat it inside, we're gonna do it standing on the street. じゃあ注文します。8個入りのoctopus dumpling takoyaki。10個。
What, 8 or?
8個入りです。What taste do we want here? Actually, we can read this in Japanese, both of us, but we'll do it here in English. Which one do you want? The best. They said the best one is no seasoning.
Okay, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
It says best right there.
No seasoning? That's kind of boring, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay. Which one do you want to try?
How about we go with the regular?
Okay, regular.
Sauce and dried seaweed.
To be honest, most places you won't even have this many options. It's one style and that's it.
Yeah, some of you do get a bunch of choices.
Okay. Regular で。はい。はい。はい。This is very typical. The only difference is that they'll have usually what's called a yatai. She's putting the sauce on there. Yatai is like a little stand, like a little food stand. Okay, so this is what you do. You buy this on the street or a festival, you eat it outside. So we're standing in front of these bikes, and we actually chose the spot to live because take those type of bikes. We call them mama cherries, right?
Yep.
That's the actual bikes people ride in Japan. It's very, very common. I own one of those too, and you own one of them.
I don't own one anymore because it's taken away by the police.
Oh, taken away by the police. But anyway, so everyone owns one of those bikes. It's actually quite convenient. It looks incredibly dorkish, but having the basket there.
Yeah, it's pretty handy actually.
I need to get a photo of one of those bikes after this.
Yeah.
All right, let's dig into takoyaki. You want to do the honors to go first?
Oh yeah, you want me to burn my mouth? Thank you very much.
Poke a hole in it.
Yeah. And you just kind of.
Yeah,
Up you go.
Although these are a little soft.
Oh, these are a little soft, aren't they?
Softer than normal.
There we go. All right, I got my taco. See, there's the.
There's octopus. Yep.
Right.
This one's a little softer than normal. Normally, oh, this one's full. This one's holding on.
No.
There, this is what it looks like. Although you show the other side. And look. You gotta suck air when you eat it.
Take the pain.
Guys, literally, from the moment we bought this, we came over here to the side of the building, right? We set up a tripod on the camera. It took us about
5 minutes.
About 5 minutes, and it's still hot. Now imagine how hot it would have been when we bought it, and so that's why you just don't just pop them in your mouth. Yeah,
never do that.
Take a small little bite and you blow on it, and let some air in.
Yeah, let them cool down a little bit because these things are deadly. And they also, the nice thing is that if you let them sit for a while, they do get a little stiffer, easier to pick up too.
They do taste good though.
Oh yeah,
this is really tasty stuff. When you come to Japan and you go to a festival, you definitely, or even on the sea, you want to definitely try this. This is traditional Japanese food, so you absolutely should try this. Oh, hot.
Even though you're watching us go through pain, you want to try this.
No, this is actually really tasty.
It is good.
You just got to make sure you suck air and you bite a little hole in it, Ralph.
This is just traditional street food. You gotta try street food wherever you go. I love trying street food any country I go to.
Okay, so we'll finish this after the video here. If you anything else you want to say about takoyaki or?
Well, no, I've been eating it forever. I don't know. It's good.
It's good. I mean, it looks kind of weird to be honest. When I first saw it, I'm like, huh? What is that? It looks kind of gross. And it doesn't look good, but it's actually quite tasty.
I guess one of the things you have to say is, like, people think octopus. You know?
Yeah, octopus. Yeah.
But really, it's just this little piece of. It's a little chewy. It's nice. It's not gross or anything. I don't know. I mean, I guess the idea is, you know, ooh, octopus, but really, it's damn good.
Octopus is very tasty. So if you like this video, pound the like button. If you dislike it, pound the dislike. That's fine. Interact with this video. Leave a comment. Comment below on any videos that you want to learn about. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. You don't want to miss any content. If you're interested in Japan, you love Japan, this is a channel to watch. If you want to travel to Japan, this is a channel to watch. If you live in Japan, this is a channel to watch. You don't want to miss any content, so be sure to subscribe. And as I say in all the videos, cheers in Japanese, which is kanpai.
We haven't got any drink.
No beer right now. Later.
See you guys.